Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can use odometer on build destroy 05. Have, as you can see, it's mean go by a hybrid. Have, it's mean this hybrid button, this electric. In panel Odo, it's mean go car in general. Trip A, trip B, you can reset. You can change by this button. By using this button, press and change all this trip distance. Have, it's mean distance going by hybrid. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss